And check out the view from the CTV Skywatch camera, looking out to the west-southwest, and that's the general direction as you see those clouds digging in of where the precipitation is going to be coming from. But that wasn't the case in Boston. There was no precipitation, well, except a spray that they needed at the end of it. 27 degrees this morning for the Boston Marathon, but that didn't slow down the winners. Both of them from Kenya. The male winner and the female winner took the prizes home, and boy, a lot of liquid was needed to keep hydrated there. It was just miserable hot. I mean, 27 with high humidity to begin with just is, and then running on top of it. It's wild. Current conditions are going to be popping up on the screen here in a minute, and we're going to see that right now, there we go, 11 degrees is where we're at. We were at 12. 12 was our daytime high for you numbers keepers, and our overnight low, our low was -2. We got there actually before midnight, stayed there at midnight right through until 8 a.m., so it was a pretty constant low. Temperature still doing fairly well today. It was very pleasant if you got to get outside in southern Alberta. We had a lot of sunshine here earlier in the day in Lethbridge, right until around, probably around the 2 o'clock mark, and then we started to see the cloud cover dig in. And the cloud cover is originating from this very, very wide expanding low that we're seeing moving across BC. It's not really organized in the coastal areas. Vancouver's going to see a sun and cloud mix over the next couple of days, then turn into some heavy rainfall. But through the interior, higher elevations, of course, seeing a rain-snow combination, and then showers in the lower elevations, and that's all starting already to drift off into southern Alberta. So those clouds that you saw on the sky cam are actually starting to get quite moisture laden. We could be seeing showers overnight tonight. Areas to the north, Calgary, could be seeing some flurries turning to light snowfall out of this, you know, the kind that sticks to the grass but makes the roadways wet, that kind of precipitation. But we're going to be keeping an eye on this over the next little while. So forecaster indicating that as well, starting off as showers in the mountains and then pushing off rain-snow combination in the mix, and that'll continue to migrate through. So you can see it's a very fine demarcation line. It looks like areas just to the west and north of Calgary getting that snowfall tonight and again during the day tomorrow, very possible for the city of Calgary. Here we're looking at more of a rain shower activity throughout the day, but as we get towards evening hours tomorrow, don't be surprised if we see a chance of little flurry activity as temperatures drop. So it's all got to do with what the temperatures are going to be like when the precipitation hits. Down east, very warm temperatures here, but don't be fooled. It's not going to be very comfortable for very long. There is a big cold front that's moving across from northern Ontario, creating thunder shower risk, strong winds already evident in southern Ontario. And then you get the other side of the coin, 3 degrees in chilly in Winnipeg, 0 in Regina, 2 in Saskatoon, 9 in Edmonton, 14 degrees in Vancouver. Whitehorse looking at another day of sun and cloud tomorrow, and then fairly sunny, temperatures above average, a little below average in Yellowknife, but they are looking at some sunny days for the next 4 or 5 as well. East Kootenay, you're looking at 1 degree for a low tonight, 11 for a high tomorrow, mainly cloudy tomorrow after you see some shower activity tonight. Crow's Nest Pass, partly cloudy tonight, down to 3 degrees and windy. Sun and cloud mixed with that chance of shower activity, maybe even a flurry late in the day tomorrow, 8 degrees for a high and still windy. Medicine Hat, chance of showers tonight, 5 degrees for a low. Tomorrow you'll be seeing some periods of rain as your winds shift from the north at 20 kilometers per hour. And here in Lethbridge, we're looking at that chance of showers tonight, 3 degrees for a low, 10 degrees tomorrow. Chance of afternoon and evening showers, possibly a flurry in the mix, 10 degrees for a high. And then you see Wednesday looking fairly cloudy, and there is that chance of flurry activity late in the day as well. Cloudy on Thursday, Friday and Saturday looking really nice. Actually, the weekend is shaping up to look pretty tasty all in all after the one we just had with the snow. Next weekend's looking a little better than that. There's our record highs for the next few days, and the most recent one, of course, is 2009 when we hit 26 degrees. Won't be that warm this week, but we'll just be happy to have teen temperatures for the weekend and no snow. That's it for me. Have a good week.